So, what is your name?
My name is Serena Harrell.
Serena, thank you for participating. So, our question today is, what does freedom mean to you right now? And what will it look like in 250 years from now?
Oh my goodness. What freedom looks like for me right now is us having the ability to be where we are this Saturday morning out here celebrating Juneteenth, which was the emancipation in 1865, and the freedom of the last slaves to be counted as free. So just being able to come out here as a multicultural community to celebrate this big day of freedom, that's what freedom means to me.
Okay.
And in 250 years, my goodness, preferably better than what we're at now.
Well, yeah, but what would it look like?
You know what, honestly, I'm not big on predictions. So if I had to say, I would say that preferably by then, this nation as a whole would accept everyone as equals, regardless of what race, creed, origin, nationality, and we all can actually not have to deal with the bias, racism issues that are dealt with today.
Well, I hope to God in 250 years we could do it.
Yes,
right.
yes. I don't plan to be here, but those left behind us.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
That's the thing.
Yes, ma'am.
So, what I want to say about that, unless we start having that vision about what we want and to use our creativity and our imagination, we're never going to get there. So I would encourage you that you're not predicting, but you're seeing the future and what you want for your children's children.
Yes, ma'am. My children's children and their children.
Yep. 7 generations.
7 generations, yes. You know what the word says about those generations, so we just want the best that we leave behind.
So, is there anything else you'd like to leave as a message for people?
The biggest message I have on today is one, I appreciate you being out here with us today. This is the start of what's to come. We can only get bigger and better for the years to come, the events to come, and we don't have to wait until Juneteenth to get together. We can come together and celebrate just because we can.
Yep, cool. So, okay, I need you to repeat that again because I stopped it.
So it might be they are spending time with their children.
Oh, spending more time?
Yeah, and also spending more time with God.
Uh-huh. So what does AI going to look like in 250 years?
Really bad. Really good, not bad. I think it might actually sound like an actual person instead of just sounding like a fake person.
Yeah.
Like, just like Alexa. Alexa kind of sounds like a real person.
Yeah. So, do you think AI is going to be able to do things that human beings are doing now so we can have more freedom?
Yeah.
Go on vacations?
Yeah.
Yeah. Where would you want to go on vacation?
Definitely back to my home.
What?
Becky.
You Becky? I don't know.
Okay, that's how you pronounce Hawaii.
Oh!
Yeah,
okay.
it's the correct way.
Yeah, yeah.
Some Hawaii.
So have you been to Hawaii?
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful. Were you born in Hawaii?
No.
Okay. Okay, cool. Is there anything else you want to say to people?
No.
Okay. Thank you. So do you want to introduce yourself?
Sure. My name is Wendy Urquidez, and today, freedom means to me, I feel like our freedom is a little hindered, but freedom means to me being able to walk down the street with your head up high and be proud of who you are, no matter who you are. And in 250 years from now, freedom means to me not seeing a color, not seeing a gender, just loving people for who they are and everybody loving people for who they are.
Beautiful. Next year, this time, I'm going to be able to do this dance.